When people are opening your emails, when they are watching your videos, when they are consuming and listening to your podcast, or even really any type of content that you create that helps to build your online presence, that helps you to build your brand, they are dialed in to a radio station, and the frequency is WIIFM. What's in it for me? They want to know what's in it for them. When I read this email, there's absolutely nothing in it for me. And it's a travesty because I know who this person is and she has a good heart and she wants to serve people, as do most coaches and consultants and speakers and authors. We are here to serve. We feel like we're on a mission. We're here for a purpose. But yet a communication like this is falling short because of the mention of herself so many times in the course of this email. So here is my challenge to you. I want you to look back on your latest piece of content. It doesn't matter if it's an email, a video, a podcast, and I want you to challenge yourself to dissect it and see if you're mentioning yourself too many times. Maybe you go back and look at your emails or your videos and you find out that you haven't mentioned your viewer at all, that you have not referenced them. And that's a huge mistake. It's a huge messaging mistake that will cost you time, energy, and money in the long run because you cannot build connection that way.